What's up everybody, welcome to Limited Bash Customs. My name is Zach and I am joined by Elliot today as we start pulling apart our boat to assess the damage, the work, to assess it.
Ooh.
So we've had a sneak peek, time for a big reveal.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
And that right there is why we thought we should probably cut the floor out and see what we were working with. So anybody know how to fix boats? Because we're not boat people. But we will be. Just watch. This is how not to fix your boat. So just working away on the boat and mail turned up. Got a package and hopefully it's my new work boots. It is. These are long overdue. I'll show you why. So this is my current work boot. I've had these about 3 years now. Probably should have replaced them around a year ago. But I can get rid of those. Get into some new ones. New boot goofing. These boots, they've been good to me, but it's time. Okay, now back to watching Elliot do some work. So we have our floor all cut out. Well, as much as we're cutting out. Just needs a good bit of a clean up. We've measured it up so we know what to order now. And we're kind of at a bit of a standstill, but at least we've assessed the situation. Thanks to this man here doing all the hard work.
Someone's got to.
So other jobs on the list that we will be tackling at some point is we've still got to get our motor going, which we've got the stuff required to attempt that now. And we'll also have to deal with the removal and remake of the dash. That's pretty straightforward really. The floor's been our biggest focus. So we're calling that job done for the day. Wasn't much, but had to be done. Now we can actually plan to get this thing moving, working on.
Floating, hopefully.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We're gonna go grab some lunch and I'll catch you in the next one.